In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to do conditional coloring in Monday.com. First, open the board where you want to apply conditional coloring and make sure you're viewing the board in table view. Next, click the three-dot menu at the top of the board to open the board options. From the menu, select Conditional Coloring to open the conditional coloring settings. Once the panel opens, click Add Condition to create your first coloring rule. Choose whether you want the color to apply to a specific cell or to the entire row. After that, select the color you want to use for the condition. For example, you might choose red for urgent items, green for completed tasks, or blue for assigned work. Now, select the column you want Monday.com to monitor, such as status, priority, due date, or budget. Choose the condition that should trigger the color. Depending on the column type, you can use conditions such as equals, contains, greater than, less than, or other available options. Enter the value for the condition. For example, you can set a rule that colors items when status equals done or when priority equals high. If you want additional color rules, click Add Condition again and create more conditions for different scenarios. After setting up all your rules, click Save as New View and give the view a descriptive name. Your board will now display color-coded items based on the conditions you've created, making it easier to identify priorities, progress, and important information at a glance. That's it. You've successfully set up conditional coloring in Monday.com. Thanks for watching.